DSV is the largest logistic operator in the world. We design and maintain logistic solutions that support our clients in reaching their business goals. Here in Łozienica, we have created a truly one-of-a-kind facility. By combining traditional and robotized warehousing solutions, we support our clients in handling every possible distribution channel. After 12 months of working with AutoStore, we have seen a significant increase in picking efficiency. Through technology, we have developed a solution that truly supports our clients in growing their competitive advantage and business in commerce. At DSV, trust, open communication and flexibility are the key values that shape how we work with our clients and business partners.
We are a long-term investor in sustainable, future-ready industrial parks. We are based in Warsaw, but also in Szczecin to stay close to our tenants. Location matters, as S3 Road, the Szczecin-Świnoujście port and the airport help streamline the supply chain. We make sure our partnerships are built on strong foundation for best service today and future growth.